Happy morning, my dear students. How are you all? Do you remember who I am? You really remember? Very good. I am Neha, and together what we all will be doing? We will be doing a lot of fun mathematics. So, let's start. Come on, let's start. What we will do? We will do lesson number 1, numbers up to 999. Now 999 is a very big number. So what we will do? Today we will start with our first topic, that is numbers up to 99. Are you ready? So let's start with our first activity. Activity 1, spell me. Our first math magic. Spell me. Who am I? What is this? Which is this first number? It's 8. Do you know how to spell 8? Do you really know? Come on, repeat after me. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Repeat after me. E-I-G-H-T. Very good, dear students. Shall we move to the next number? Which is this number? Tell me. Yes, it's 20. Do you know how to spell 20? Come on, let's see. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Let's start again. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Are you all with me? Are you having fun? Let's see another number. 5, 3, 53. Do you know how to spell 53? Let's see. F-I-F-T-Y. 50 and 3. So, T-H-R-E-E. 3. What it is? It is 53. Shall we move on to the next number? What is this? It's 71. Shall we spell it? Come on. S-E-V-E-N-T-Y. 70. And this is 1. O-N-E. 1. 71. Very good, dear students. Our last number. What is this? 99. Shall we spell it? Yes. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. And N-I-N-E. 9. 99. You had fun? Come on, let's go to our another activity. Activity 2. Our next magic is break the spell and write the number. So now what will happen? A spelling will come up on the screen, and what you have to do? You have to break it. Break the spell, and then you will write the number of the spelling. Are you ready? Let's go. Our first spelling is F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Repeat after me. F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Do you know how the 50 number looks? You really know? I won't be telling you the answers now. First, we all will repeat all the spellings and then we will see the answers. I will test you with this. Now, which is the next spelling? It's T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. And F-O you are 4. 34. Let's see our next spelling. S-I-X-T-Y. 60. And S-I-X. 6. What is the number? It's 66. Very good. Next number, very easy. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Do you know what is 7? You really know? Okay, we'll check it then. Now, our next spelling. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80. Next, N-I-N-E. 9. 89. We have seen all our spellings. Now let's check our answers. Our first number was 50. Were you correct with me? You were very good. Next number. It was 34. You all are really very smart. Next, it was 66. Good, my dear children. 7. Very easy. Our last number was 89. Very good, dear children. Clap for yourself. You all are very smart. Are you all having fun? Yes, you all are having fun. So, let's see our next activity. What is our next activity? Oh, what's missing? Now, a train will come and whichever number is missing, you will fill the gaps with me. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. What is this? It's a train. And here are many boxes in this train, right? But some of the numbers are missing. That's why the train is waiting for the numbers to come. And then they will go vroom, chuk 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 chuk. Are you ready to fill the boxes? Yes, you are. Let's start. What comes after 81? 82. After 82, 83. After 83, 84. Oh, a number is missing. Which number? What comes after 84? After 84 comes 85. Very good, dear children. Now, this train is ready to go. Let's fill another train. Oh my God, the first box is itself missing. Let's fill it with the number. It's 86. What comes after 85? 86. The next one is also missing. Oh my God. Let's fill it. What comes after 86? 87. Now, what comes after 87? 88. 88 is here itself. Now, the box is missing. Which number will come? You know? Yes, you know. The number is 89. Very good, dear children. We have filled up all the boxes. Let's see all the numbers. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. Very good, dear children. Clap for yourself. You all are brilliant. What comes up before 67? Before 67 comes 66. Very good, dear children. Now, what comes before 82? Before 82 comes 81. Next, what comes before 79? What comes? I don't know. Tell me. Yes, it's 78. What comes before 79? It's 78. Next, what comes before 38? 37. Very easy. Yes. Last, what comes before 90? It's 89. Very good, my dear children. Now we will do another activity which is similar to this, but it's way more easy than this. Now what comes after? जो नंबर बाद में आता है, we have to write it. Let's start. What comes after 49? Yes, 50. Very good. What comes after 20? 21. Very easy. You all are very smart, I should tell you all. What comes after 71? It's 72. Very good. Now this one is tricky. I won't be telling you. What comes after 99? Tell me. What comes? Yes, it's 100. After 99 comes 100. Next, very easy. What comes after 44? After 44 comes 45. Very good. Last. I won't be telling you the answer. What comes after 67? After 67 comes? Yes, very good. 68. Clap for yourself. You all are very smart. So our last activity for the day is, you know? No, you don't, because मैं आपसे मजाक कर रही थी. Now I will give you a small gift, and that is HOMEWORK, homework. Now what I will do, I will send a small worksheet on your WhatsApp number, and what will you do? You will complete it and send it back to me. Bye for now. God bless you.